Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to separate business income streams via Lendio. It's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is to identify each income stream. So you want to list all distinct income sources. That is, products, sales, services, subscriptions, or licensing. Now decide how granular you want tracking to be. It could be broad or extremely detailed. Next step is to create income categories or tags. So just open income settings, categories or tags in Lendio, and then create a unique categories for each income stream. You should want to make sure that you use clear, consistent names. Next step is to assign transactions to streams. So you're going to review incoming deposits and then assign each deposit to the correct income category. Correct any historical misclassifications, just for accuracy's sake. Next is to set automation rules. So you want to create rules that are based on payment processor, client's name, as well as deposit descriptions. You also want to enable auto categorizations for future incomes so that they'll be sorted automatically. Next is to allocate funds by streams. Of course, this is optional, but you can apply different allocation percentages per income stream if needed. For example, you can set higher margin streams. This can contribute more to profits. You also want to keep tax and operating rules consistent, unless legally required otherwise. Next is to analyze performance by streams. So you want to open income reports first and then filter by income categories. You can compare revenues, costs, and net contributions per stream. Lastly, you want to use insights for decisions. So you can identify your most profitable and most stable streams. You also want to reduce reliance on underperforming income sources, and be sure to use data to guide pricing, scalings, or discontinuation decisions. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next one.